The ears. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Working into a magic ring, make a loop around your middle finger. Pinch the crossover of the yarn with thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with a chain stitch, CH, and then work 8 single crochets, SC. Work 1 chain stitch, CH, first. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch, CH, is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 8 single crochets, SC. Eight V shapes on the side stand for 8 single crochets, SC. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the yarn tail out. Tighten up. Thread the needle with this short yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric and finally cut off excess end. One ear is completed. Please crochet the other ear in the same way on your own. Two ears are completed.